Last one, number 10, a Gallup survey. George Gallup, great surveyor. He revolutionized polling. Famous guy. George Gallup. A Gallup survey based on telephone and face-to-face interviews with 4,220 adults in China, aged 15 and older, suggests that 30% smoke regularly or occasionally. The following is also noted. One can say with 95% confidence that the maximum margin of sampling error is 2.1 percentage points. Which of the following is true based on the results of this survey? If we were to randomly sample another group of 4,220 Chinese adults, we would find that exactly 30% of them smoke as well. No. Just because the first 4,220 had 30%, doesn't mean that you're going to find the same thing with another group. No. Next. Exactly 30% of all Chinese adults smoke. No, we don't know that exactly. Right? We just, for the ones we surveyed, the 4,220, 30% of them smoked regularly or occasionally. Not 30% of all Chinese. Let's try the next one. We are 95% confident that 27.9 to 32.1 of all Chinese adults smoke. Or then here's another one down here. Okay, what looks like we need to determine is the error is 2.1. What did we say the average was? 30? So if you take 30% and you add 2.1 and subtract 2.1, you'd be at 32.1. Use your calculator to subtract 2.1. You'll be at 27.9 to 32.1. Yeah, that's it. We're 95% confident that that percentage of all Chinese adults smoke. That's what we're saying. That's what the 95% confidence interval says. We're 95% confident that the true average of all Chinese is somewhere between 27.9 and 32.1. Why? Because we got a 30% in the middle, and the error margin, give or take, add or subtract 2.1, gets you an interval 27.9 to 32.1. Not this interval, and this one's false as well. If the sample size was larger, the margin of error would be larger as well. No, that's false. When you ask more people, you get less error. So anyway, they're all the other ones are wrong. This is the only one that's true.